And I want to shock you that God, God is not responsible for whatever good or bad that is happening in your life. I am sorry to disappoint you, because this is something that you have been believing for a very long time, but there are some proofs that I need to give you.
Obluno today but the first time in Abia across our page, Mr. Escuded. Bambo phone in full eye. A lot of things say ga mutadi na page already. And in Kaka ge post to Kale. Bambo phone in full eye. Na share on our post. Go will loot other people. Dalo.
Abegom n'oge nkuzi na oge mmụta. Achọrọ m ka ichi ya program a dịka ị na-anụ onu m. Invite your family and friends. Let audition. Only one of two things ị ga-amụta n'okwu a tata. Ife ji maka ewe ebe tata anụnwa bụ maka ife na-eme na ndụ gị, ọ bụ ife na-achọ ime na ndụ gị, ọ bụ ife megolo eme gara aga na ndụ gị. Achọrọ m ka m kọwalụ gị na whatever thing ị na-eme in life abụrụ coincident. Achọrọ m ka m kọwa gị na tupu ị na-abịa ụwa na program gị otu ndụ gị ga-esi wee gaa. Otu a nọ ebe a na I am acting under script of nature, script of my destiny, likewise you and every other person. I want you to share this program as you can listen to me, as you can hear me. Whatsoever that is happening in your life, you are acting under script. Mane will do two things. There are some scripts. Enya luchigi kikele right. And when some scripts I get correction here. Well, some of them are mane correction here. It will everly remain the same. What do I mean? Mboso onye na-abịa ụwa ka o jele nwa yi ụwa. Mboso abụ ijele nwa yi ụwa. Mboso abụ ka edele gị ebe ị ga-abụ. Mboso abụ ka edechele gị wee ka anya na akala aka gị wee kpọọ anya akala onye ji wee bịa ụwa. Ibe niile ị na-agabiga n'ụwa anụnwa dị gị na akala anụnwa. Achọrọ m ka m gba gị na ọ bụrụ na iyi ebi 100 years wee nwụrụ na-edeghị ya na akala aka gị, mana 100 years abụ edere gị na akala aka na ị ga-ebi were ike maga ama nnozu ya, maka na enyeluchi gị ikikele ide ya eli maọbụ 100 years maọbụ na ọ bụrụ 100 years, and chi ga-ama mma ebe anụnwa without your concept. Onye ga o ji wee bụrụ na everything ị na-eme na a na-ezukọ gị ya na nlọ. So many things na-eme na ndụ gị a na-egosi gị ya na nlọ, ka a na-agwa gị na gwa ka a gwara gị ka eme ive a, na gwa oge ekwuru ka ive a mee. Onye bụ the meaning of dream. Nlọ abụ ya na-adịba alụ at times. I want you to share this program. Na ọ nwere ebe nchọrọ ka ị mụta n'okwu a. What do I mean? Ọ bụrụ na ị malụ n'ụwa anụnwa bụ script in an art under, even an actor acting under script. Ọ bụrụ na ụwa anụnwa abụrụ script, nobody will choose to be a criminal. Ọ bụrụ na ụwa anụnwa, if you are not acting under script, a woman will not die while giving birth. If you are not acting under script, accident ama mmeg. If you are not acting under script, a child will not die in his or her mother's belly. If you are not acting under script, nobody will choose not to give birth in this very world. If you are not acting under script, if you are not acting under script, Madam one oppression. Whatever thing that is happening in this life is scripted. I want you to know that this life is a life of a spirit. Me, I am playing a role of a Dibia in this very present life. I don't know the role you are playing. They invited me to come and play a role of a Dibia in some certain level, in some people's life. Nothing happens for nothing in life. Whatever thing that happens in your life, there's a reason and a purpose why that thing happened, whether good or bad. And I want to shock you that God is not responsible for whatever good or bad that is happening in your life. God is not responsible. I am sorry to disappoint you, because this is something that you have been believing for a very long time. But there are some proofs that I need to give you for you to unlearn what you learned before, for you to unlearn something they taught you in the church. That God is in control. God is not in control of whatever that is happening in your life. Whatever thing that is happening in your life is something you accepted to act. Whether you are dying young, it's in your destiny, you accepted it. Whether you will die while giving birth, it's accepted, you accepted it. You and your chi was the one that accepted it. You and your chi was the one that accepted it. Need the only person that has the right to intervene in your life is your chi. And I told you that some certain things that you are asking your chi to do, your chi did not do it. It does not mean that your chi doesn't want to do it, but the nature does not allow your chi to do that, because it's going to spoil some people's script. It's going to delay some people's acting. Let me come out. Let me explain it the way you will understand it. In my destiny, okay, in your own destiny, you were destined to buy a car. You were destined to buy a car. And the car you are going to buy, you are going to buy 2 cars in a year. When you buy 2 cars, you will be driving one. This is scripted. They wrote it in your akalaka. Your destiny says that in a year you are going to buy 2 cars, but you will be driving one. Now your destiny that said that you are going to buy 2 cars, said that you are going to buy 1 car from Joneb. The first car you are going to buy it from Joneb. The second car you are going to buy it from Ejika. God is not working there. Nothing concerns God in that you are buying car. It's scripted. When the time of that buying car has reached, it will manifest. You will go to Joneb, you will buy your car. When you bought the car, you have now completed the destiny of you and completed the destiny of Joneb, because Joneb had it in the destiny that in a month of so date that you are going to come to his shop to buy one of the Mercedes that he's selling. And you have completed the destiny. You bought the car from Joneb shop. So you have completed the Joneb destiny that you are going to buy it from Joneb. It's checked, marked. Whether something is wrong with the car is part of your destiny. the car will now have an accident, or the car is going to be stolen, because the car was stolen, you are going to bring out another money. You will go to a ticket shop to buy another car. Remember in the beginning that your destiny says you are going to buy 2 cars, but you will be driving 1. You will now buy another car in a ticket shop. How many cars did you buy in a year? That is 2 cars according to your destiny. But how many are you driving? That is 1, because one of the car had an accident or was stolen. All of them must be in your destiny, whether it's going to be stolen or whether it's going to have an accident or whatsoever. It's now scripted. It's now written into your destiny. They give it to you before you come to this world. Now this thing is like this. When you don't want one to happen, when you want to buy only 1 car and save the other money, what you will do is you will need to give sacrifice to the spirit in order to intercede, in order to intervene for your car not to be stolen. You have bought the car from Joneb. Okay, it's not yet time for you to buy the car. You have started giving sacrifice to your chi. You have started giving sacrifice to the water spirit. You have started giving sacrifice to the spirit that owns the world.